Hello viewers. So, I accidentally deleted my previous 8-bit CPU project. That is why I am going to restart the project. To make things spicy, I will be doing a 64-bit CPU instead. Let's start with the memory components. Unlike last time, I was thinking about using text to make the videos more interactive and educational. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, I also assume that all of my viewers have some idea of what is being done. Unless absolutely necessary, I will not explain what I will be doing. Now, I will be building a latch and modify it to a SR flip-flop and D flip-flop. JK flip-flop and T flip-flop are not included as I will use the ones provided by the simulator. Enjoy and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. have also created the half adder and full adder to use for creating a parallel look-ahead adder. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Next time, I will be implementing a parallel look-ahead adder.